taking videos of the church, the Catholic Church in the city of Aachen. Before the Protestant Revolution of 1581. So the church has been there for 300 years, even before the Protestant Revolution started in 1521. So 1226 was when this church was built, and it's still very well maintained. After so many years, still very well maintained here in the city of Aachen in the northwest part of Germany. Very well maintained church. You see the tourists. You could see me also worshiping in the church. You see the front, replica of the church in gold color. Statue of the Virgin Mary inside also, where the feminine tourists top of the church. Very well maintained, very well maintained. The church was declared a UNESCO heritage in 1978 because of its age. That is over 800 years now, old church.